right, this is stage 3, Roan Airport, first running. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 5 minus, stay left over crest into left 5 minus. And left 5 plus into right 5. 50. Right over crest 150. Keep right over crest 150. Right 4 plus long. Hook okay, 30. Left 4 plus long over crest. Left 4 plus long over crest. Right 5 plus. Into left 4 plus. 30. Turn right 3 at the top of the hill. Minus long crest. Easy now. 70. Left 6. Into right 5. Long. Tightening late on a crest and down. Cut slightly into left 4. Very long. Cut late. Into left 4. Very long. Into middle over small crest. Sorry, right 5 minus, left 4 plus, long, opens. Into middle over small crest, into right 4 long. Middle into right 4 long, 50. Left 4, very long. 30, middle over small crest. Very long here. 30, middle over small crest, into left 4 plus. And right 4 minus. Hook okay, long, long. Left 4 minus, long, a big camber. Small crest, into right 5, long, over small crest. Tightens late to 4 minus. Tightens late 4 minus. Left 4 plus, no finish sign yet. Left 4, 50, left 5 minus. There you go. Good job.
Nice.
That was fun. Little sliding, little hooking.